So the most important step in keeping our lashes lasting longer is to clean them, and we want to clean them at least 3 times a week. The first, we're going to use our Lash X cleanser, and this special cloth is made so it's not going to pull on the lash. What we want to do is put a little of the gel cleanser. We're going to add water and remove any makeup we could be wearing to the side. So that's step 1. The main ingredient's aloe. It's naturally going to kill any bacteria. And then it has biotin and panthenol for lash health. It has silk extract and chamomile to soothe the skin and hydrate the hair. Cucumber extract is a natural humectant. So it keeps the lashes lasting longer and keeps them clean. So once all the makeup's off to the side, we'll do one more pump. And this time we're going to add water and just clean down with the direction of the hair growth. This time we're cleaning the actual extensions. So step 1, remove makeup. Step 2, clean the extensions. Now we're going to rinse the cleanser off. And blot dry. And I like to use a smooth side of the towel, kind of pushing up. It refans your lashes so they'll be fluffy and full again. Perfect, and we're going to clean the lashes 3 times a week for optimal lash health and the best retention. So this primes us for our service today. Your lashes are going to be clean and ready for lash application so they last better. And it's also how you're going to care for the lashes at home. And remember, at least 3 times a week to keep them healthy and long lasting. Thanks, Kelsey.